Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to control the percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler system. This is a crucial topic for improving boiler efficiency and saving energy costs, especially in power plants and industrial facilities. Here's what we'll cover in this session. The first topic is why heat loss occurs in a boiler. Next, the second topic is, what is the percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash? Next, the third topic is, ranges of the percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash. And finally, the fourth topic is, how to control the percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash. We will cover the above topics in the upcoming slides. So, our goal is to minimize this unburnt carbon by improving combustion efficiency. Next, we will learn and understand the why heat loss occurs in a boiler. When a boiler burns fuel to generate heat, not all of the energy is used efficiently. Some of the heat is inevitably lost during the process. A boiler burns fuel to generate heat, which is then used to produce steam or hot water. However, not all of the heat released from the fuel is transferred to the water. Some of the heat is inevitably lost for various reasons. Please refer to the picture below for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand what is the percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler. In combustion systems, boilers, incomplete combustion occurs when not all the carbon in the fuel is fully burned. As a result, some carbon particles remain unburnt and are carried away with the bottom ash. This unburnt carbon represents a loss of useful energy. Next, we will learn and understand the ranges of percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler. In pulverized fuel boiler, its percentage of the heat losses ranges from 0.1% to 1.5%. In stoker-fired fuel boiler, grate type, its percentage of the heat losses ranges from 1.5% to 5%. In fluidized bed combustion, its percentage of the heat losses ranges from 0.2% to 1%. Even small percentages can cause significant energy loss over time. These losses don't contribute to steam generation but still consume fuel energy. Next, we will learn and understand how to control the heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler. Below are the recommended strategies to control the percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler. So, our goal is to minimize this unburnt carbon by improving combustion efficiency. The first recommendation is to reduce the heat loss to maintain proper air-fuel ratio. Ensure proper air-fuel ratio. Too little air causes incomplete combustion, it leads to CO formation. Too much air increases dry flue gas losses. Use oxygen, O2, sensors, or flue gas analyzers to monitor and maintain optimal ratio. The second recommendation is to reduce the heat loss to improve fuel fineness. Ensure proper coal fineness. Fine coal burns more completely. Ideally 70 to 75% should pass through a 200 micron sieve. The third recommendation is to reduce the heat loss to maintain uniform fuel distribution. Ensure uniform fuel distribution over the grate or burner area. Avoid fuel overloading and ensure even spreading. Next, we will learn and understand how to control the heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler. Below are the recommended strategies to control the percentage heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler. So, our goal is to minimize this unburnt carbon by improving combustion efficiency. The fourth recommendation is to reduce the heat loss to ensure proper burner operation. Clean and inspect burners regularly. Malfunctioning burners can cause poor flame quality and incomplete burning. The fifth recommendation is to reduce the heat loss To train the boiler's operator. Skilled operators can detect and correct combustion issues easily. Conduct the regular training on combustion control techniques. The sixth recommendation is to reduce the heat loss. To monitor unburnt carbon in bottom ash regularly. Sample and test bottom ash for loss on ignition, LOI, or unburnt carbon percent. Maintain unburnt carbon in bottom ash less than 1 to 2% for well-performing systems. The seventh recommendation is to reduce the heat loss. To improve fuel firing techniques. Poor fuel feeding or uneven distribution leads to incomplete combustion. Next, we summarize, and the conclusion of this video is. Let's quickly recap what we learned. We learned why heat loss happens. We understood how unburnt carbon in the bottom ash contributes to that loss. We explored typical ranges of this heat loss. And most importantly, how to reduce, control the heat loss due to unburnt carbon in the bottom ash in a boiler. We hope you found this video helpful and now have a better understanding of how to reduce, control the heat loss due to unburnt carbon in bottom ash in a boiler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues and friends. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorial video.